It started at one of those days where you feel completely done. I'd been filming non-stop all day and I even went live for my channel members. And by the time it was over, I thought there is no chance I would pick up the camera again today. But then, after the live, I stepped outside and there it was, the blood moon. So I immediately grabbed my Canon RF 100 to 500 and ran outside. Set up everything and then I realized I forgot the battery. In that moment I thought, okay, maybe I'll just give up, it's almost over anyway. But Rinat looked at me and said, no, go get it, you'll regret it if you don't. So I ran back home, sweating, out of breath, got the battery, came back, turned the camera on and then no memory card. I felt so stupid and I almost quit again. But once more she pushed me and said, go, get the card. So I ran again, hot, frustrated, done, and yet determined. And just in time, literally seconds before a massive cloud covered the moon, I got the shot. Not perfect, but I got it. In that chaos, I was so glad I didn't give up. Last night taught me something. Sometimes the fun is actually in the struggle. Next time I'll find a darker spot with less light pollution. I will bring a tripod so I can slow my shutter speed more and get sharper results. So yeah, I almost missed the eclipse. But in the end, it turned into one of those chaotic little memories that I will never forget. Did you get the chance to photograph the lunar eclipse too? Tell me in the comments where you saw it and how the experience was for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, it helps me more than you know. Thank you so much for watching, I'll see you soon in the next video.